Here we're gonna do an example of compound inequality. This is a compound inequality over here, and as you can see, it has kind of, let's say, like three parts. This is one part, then the middle, a symbol, and the part on the right side. So we need to solve everything here at the same times. As always, just like in equations, in an inequality, we're trying to solve for x, meaning leave x by itself. Since the x is here in the middle, we're going to leave it by itself in the middle, which means we need to get rid of the 1/2 and the -3. And as always, we're going to start with the number that is farthest away from the variable, in this case, the -3. So we're going to do +3. So we do +3 here to eliminate our -3, but we must do +3 on every part of this inequality. So I will also do +3 on the left side and also on the right side. And now I add vertically. -1 + 3, +2, less or equal to 1/2 x, 3, -3 + 3 is 0, less than 1 + 3 on the right side, that will be 4. Now, in order to leave x by itself here in the middle, I need to get rid of 1/2. Whenever you want to get rid of a fraction in one single step, you multiply by its reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of 1/2, which is 2/1, or just 2. But we're going to multiply by 2 on every part of this inequality. So times 2 here, times 2 in the middle, and times 2 on the right side. Left side, 2 times 2 is 4, less than or equal to, these two cancel each other, and I have left 1 times x, which is just x, less than 4 times 2, which is 8. So I end up with this, and I'm going to graph. This is my solution written in symbols, but now I'm going to write this solution in a graph. So 4 is here and 8 is here. Okay, here it says that x is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so 4 here. The 4 is included because it has an equal here, so the 4 is included. So I'm going to color my circle. And then numbers greater than 4, x greater or equal to 4, those numbers go to the right of 4. So numbers to the right of 4. On the other hand, I have x is less than 8. Numbers less than 8 go to the left of 8, right? And 8 is not included because it's just less than. So 8 is not included, so just a circle. And numbers less than 8 go to the left of 8. So where these two areas overlap, that will be my solution. And from here, from the graph, I write my interval. Left side first, and then the right side. So on the left side of my interval, I have 4. The 4 is included, so I write a bracket. Then on the right side of my circle, of my graph, I have an 8. The 8 is not included, so it's a parenthesis. That is my inequality and its solution written in as using symbols, in a graph, and in interval form.